Project Human Resources Management. Motivation theories. Intrinsic motivation causes people to participate in an activity for their own enjoyment. Example, some people love to read and write and play instrument because it makes them feel good. Then the third is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Abraham Maslow argued that humans possess unique quantities that enable them to make independent choices, thus giving them control of their destiny, guided or motivated by sequence of needs. Then the fourth is Heidelberg's motivational hygiene theory. Frederick Heidelberg distinguished between motivational factors and hygiene factors. Motivational hygiene called cause job dissatisfaction. Then the fifth is media snapshot. RSA Animate use a whiteboard drawing technique to summarize key points from Pink's book, A Surprising Truth About What Motivates Us. Pink suggests that managers focus motivators. Macklan's acquired needs theory. Specific needs are acquired or learned over time and shaped by life experiences, achievements. Achievers like challenging projects with achievable goals, relationship, and need to fail are accepted by others, so managers should try to create their own desired institutional power organization. McGregor's theory, X and Y. Douglas McGregor popularized the human relations approach to management in 1960s. William Auchi is the quality collective decision-making and cultural values. And the eighth is influence and power. Tamnin and Wilmon, ways to have influence on project authority, legitimate hierarchical right to issue others assignment, the project manager and others establish friendly personal relationship. The 9 is convey and project effectiveness. Convey 7 habits improve effectiveness. Proactive began with the mind, put first things, then the understood, synergize, sharpen. Advice for young professional, listen to entire message and communicate as what the other person will do. 11 is emotional intelligence. More than one way to think of the measure human understand the motivation, intention, and desire of others. Leadership. There is no one best way to be a leader. Understand and pay attention to leadership in all project processes. Thank you for listening and God bless.